Welcome to our dettol making class. We are still on Know Your Acne tutorial class. So we'll be making 1.25 liters of dettol. And the chemicals needed are 1. Hexapon. It's a semi-liquid, just look like already made hot water starch. We need dettol color, brownish in color. That's significant from other colors used for other products. We have pine oil. Pine oil is almost colorless. It helps in forming that diffusion you see when dettol is applied in water. Chloroxylenol is a very dark liquid, brownish in color, but it is the major disinfectant of dettol. It is the major functioning agent in dettol making. When you see them put kills 99% germs, this is the main active chemical causing that to happen. IPA, isopropyl alcohol, it looks like, it smells like spirit, is also a disinfectant, but not the active agent. We have phenol here. Phenol is an acid. It helps to burn, kill germs, but not as active as this. But this acts upon the insects or the diseases to help give a better formula. Then we need half liter of water to complete the mixture. Now let's get to the practical. All we need to do is put the hexapon in a bowl. Here's the hexapon. Exactly 1/8 kg. We pour it in the bowl. And we pour the pine oil. You can see it's as good as white, colorless. You add to the pine oil, to the hexapon, and mix. At this stage, it starts smelling as if it's disinfectant already. But actually, you've not gotten what we are looking for. You mix till you can see no more traces of hexapon in the pine oil. After this is done, you add your chloroxylenol. The solution changes in color at this stage. Then you add your phenol. We need 1/16 liter, but here we have 1/8. So we'll just be pouring half of this into the solution and we'll mix. Can you see? It's turning brownish, almost like dettol color, but actually we haven't got what we want. Now we'll be pouring water. But you don't have to pour exactly the same quantity of water as that of the IPA, which is the isopropyl alcohol, so that you don't get the wrong solution at the end. So this is a 50 cl bottle, and I measure the water not to get full, so that I will get the actual result I desire. So you pour the water. Now your dettol looks much like something else, like you're not going to get what you're looking for. But you continue stirring. And now you had your IPA, which is your isopropyl alcohol, and you mix while stirring. Can you see the changes? At this stage, all you just need to do is add your dettol color, and your dettol is ready for packaging. You just add little dettol color, and you stir together. Dettol is ready for use. Thank you very much for listening.